I'm Marty Guild. This is my 4th semester here at UNT. My research is centered around planar curves, I guess I'd say. This started in my undergrad. I saw a YouTube video of someone who took some record players and he put some pivots on them, attached arms to those pivots, connected them to each other, put a pen at the end, and he spun the record players at different speeds. And it makes really cool shapes. It makes a really cool picture. So I found the equation of the picture, I found its outline, and I proved something about what happens when you have the record players infinitely far apart. And it has some connections with coupled oscillators and signal analysis. So that's where I'm going with it. Otherwise, I'm really into downhill skateboarding, racing my friends, and I'm super heavy into this subgenre of dubstep called rhythm.
What was your process for figuring out who you wanted as an advisor?
I took a reading course with Dr. Jackson about a certain theorem that Robert Kemp published in the late 1800s that had to do with linkages. The machine I mentioned before is a two degree of freedom linkage, so it's not quite what Kemp was talking about, but Kemp devised a way to draw any algebraic curve with finite linkage, finite 1 degree of freedom linkage, if I remember correctly. So him and I spent some time talking about linkages, essentially. So I think he'll be able to help, and I've talked to him a little bit about my research already, so.